Welcome everyone to our next tutorial of Microsoft Word Learning. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to check spelling in Microsoft Word. Let's see by the example. These are the wrong spelling written over here and you have to find the correct one. Simply go to review here, then click on spelling and grammar here. Now you can see the sidebar over here and it's suggesting the right one. Double click on right one. One by one you can correct all the wrong one. A spelling and grammar check is complete for this file. Another option is also available over here. Go to file, then options, then proofing, autocorrect here. I have added one wrong one with the right one. Type over here. You can see here Excel Word automatically taking this, replacing with this right one. By this way you can check spelling in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.